Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put in the memory in the computer, or how I do it. Basically what memory is, you also might hear it called RAM, Random Access Memory. There's different types. There's SDRAM, which is in really old computers now by today's standards. Then there's DDR, which is also now pretty old. DDR2 and DDR3, and who knows, there's probably more. Memory allows you to do some of your multitasking and allows you to run your applications. Generally, the more memory you have, the better. Normally, one of the #1 reasons why your computer is running slow is it doesn't have enough memory in it. Of course, it could also be because you have too many things running and it's filling up your memory. Memory is, your random access memory is not something that you can permanently store data on. As soon as you shut your computer off, it's off the memory, it's gone. It's just a temporary storage thing, but it is a lot faster than your hard drive, which is why we use it for running your applications and such. So anyway, I'm now going to proceed with the video clip of me putting the memory in and explaining it. Enjoy. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put the memory in the computer. Now, memory you can put in at any time. You can put it in after the motherboard's already in the computer, or before the motherboard's put in there, which is what I prefer when I'm already building it. If it's already built, of course, then I'll just put it in as is. But the processor and heatsink I really suggest putting in before you put the motherboard in. What I'm nodding my head about is you got to make sure that you put the memory in the right way. They only go in one way. You'll see a notch or two on the memory slot, which will indicate which way it needs to go. So you line it up carefully. You will have to apply probably some force, and you push on enough. The clips should close themselves. You may need to close them a little bit more sometimes, but generally they'll close themselves. And then what I do is I just kind of push them around a little bit more after they're in, just to make sure they're in, and I even push on the clips a little bit. That's really all there is to memory. Not much.